Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have been shopping on Look Fantastic and bought some amazing products from the Black Friday sales that I'm going to share with you. This video is in collaboration with Look Fantastic, who have kindly sent me the products that I'm going to share with you as PR samples. I've chosen them myself. They're products that I absolutely love and new products that I cannot wait to try that I've been wanting for a long while. So the products are personal to me as I chose them myself. You'll find links to all these products down below in my description, as well as offers that Look Fantastic currently have running. We're going to be seeing more and more offers as the Black Friday Cyber Weekend commences. I have also got a permanent code that Look Fantastic have given me for as long as I continue to collaborate with them, that is DIARYLF, and that will entitle you to receive anything basically up to about 25%. I think that's the most I've managed to get with the code. If you're a regular on the Look Fantastic website, you might see that they have offers. They've got some advent calendars discounted at the moment. One of them is Lumine, one of my favourite brands. But yeah, they've got a Lumine advent calendar. It was £99. It's now down to £70. But if you use code EXTRA, you're able to get 5% off. Well, anytime you see use code EXTRA, if you use my code DIARYLF, that will entitle you to a little bit more. So a few more pound off. You're welcome to use the code whenever you want. There are some exclusions, but I receive commission if you click on any of the actual links that I pop. So you'll find some links down in my description. So anything that you purchase after clicking the link, then I will receive a little bit of commission, and it all goes back into doing this and buying boxes and things like that to share with you. So thank you if you do click on my links. Down in my description you'll find all the information down there, all the links, all the offers, all the discount codes, plus I've got a brand new giveaway on Instagram to win a Kiehl's advent calendar that's running until the 16th of December, open internationally. You'll find that down there as well. Okay, so let's get on to showing you what I bought. Look, it's Daisy. Daisy! I don't actually like Daisy, funny enough. Marc Jacobs. Don't like the original Daisy, but I love all the others, like limited editions off of that. Behind me in my little perfume carousel type tray thing over there. If you'd like me to do a video on all my perfumes, please let me know, because I know a few of you have asked what I like and everything, and I can show you if you like and go through it all. Useless at describing scents, which you probably already know, but give you an idea of the type of thing I like. So anyway, I've already got Daisy Ursa Fresh. I've got Daisy, I can't remember what it is, but it's a blue one. It is a Ursa Summer. No, I can't remember what it is. Hold on. That one. Ursa Fresh Skies. I'd never remember that. Yeah. Look at the bottle. I think this is my favourite one from Marc Jacobs. This is ever so fresh and it smells like oranges. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a perfume spray, 75 mils. I managed to get, I think it's 22% off it. I tried a little sample a little while ago and I fell in love with it, and I thought, right, 100% getting this. Look at the gorgeous bottle. I know, they're all the same, but they look so pretty, don't they? And with my pink one, the Ursa Fresh. But look. It's so nice. Oh, I really wish that you could smell this. Oh. It is so gorgeous. It's the latest addition to the quintessential Daisy Marc Jacobs collection. The fragrance marries soft florals with sun-soaked citrus accords for a vibrant finish. An energizing elixir of mandarin, mango and pineapple introduce the scent, uplifting by a floral boutique of rosewater and orange blossom. Inspiring spontaneity with its youthful spirit, the fragrance settles into a warm bed of cashmere woods. Oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Next, I got some makeup brushes because I'm obsessed with makeup brushes and I don't need any more, but I can't help myself. But these are, they're one of my favourites. They are just amazing. They're by Real Techniques and they're a set of eye brushes. They were £19.95 and I think I got £5 off them. So yeah, and they were £48. They're just really great brushes. Got a defining crease brush. This is super soft, really nice and soft, easy to use. This is one of my favourites. It's a shading brush, one of my favourites for doing under eye. if I want to do a smoky under eye, it's not too big. Yeah, just a really gorgeous set. And my Real Technique ones are really old and I've been wanting to get a new set for a while. And the brushes that I use, you know, some sets that you get, you think, okay, you know, you tend to use, say, if you've got 5, you might use 2 or 3 maybe, but there's always 1 or 2 that you won't use. But no, these, I'll use them all. Yeah, really great and affordable as well. Next, I've got a Bobbi Brown eye pencil. This is a Longwear Cream Shadow Stick and I've got it in shade Stone. Now, Look Fantastic brought out a Bobbi Brown limited edition box this year sometime, I can't remember when, and it's the first time that I really got to try out the shadow sticks. There's a couple in the box and I love them. I love them. The gunmetal-y, bronzy. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. I've been using them a few times recently in a lot of my YouTube videos, and while I'm editing, I'm like, oh, I love the colour. I love my eyes. Quick and easy eye look. I use them underneath my eyes, on top of my eyes. I blend them all out, and then I use a darker one in the corners, top and bottom, just to add definition. I saw this and I thought, oh, it's nice. It's a stone taupe sort of colour. So really nice for like a 90s grungy look. Blend it out a bit. So easy to blend. And then I add more. This is what I do to my eyes. Blend again, add more. Just building it all up. These retail for £27 and with the discount I had a good couple of pound off it. I can't remember exactly. The next product is a product I've wanted to try for a long time. It's Yves Saint Laurent and this is Touche Éclat Blur Primer. The reviews on this is amazing. 5-star reviews, loads and loads and loads of them. So it's a really highly top rated makeup product. But yeah. Blurring and illuminating primer, maximises skin radiance, 30 mils there. Yves Saint Laurent is just beautiful. It is a beautiful brand, but oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. I've only tried it on my hand. I haven't tried it on my skin yet. My face then, I mean. There. It feels amazing. It's so silky smooth and I just know it's going to blur my pores. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I might do a little short video just to show, because I've got really large pores, really noticeably large pores. So it might be interesting to show what they look like once I've applied this on. Hopefully it works. I hope. I'm expecting it to. I can see it here. It's just blurred my pores. You might not be able to see a difference. Can you see? I don't know. It feels like, oh, what was the primer? Urban Decay. Urban Decay brought out a primer. It had SPF 30 in it. It's now discontinued. Is it called Urban Defense? I think that's what it is. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. It feels like that, but with a slight bit of a glow to it as well. So not too much, because I don't want the middle of my face to, you know, stand out. It's just got enough there just so that, you know, it's going to be nice under makeup. Oh, I hope my skin loves it. I hope so. It just looks gorgeous. If you've tried it, please let me know what you think. This is a fast seller. Sold over 100 in the last 24 hours. It's currently on sale for £24 and it retails for £32. But you can use my code or any of the other codes to get an additional couple of pound off it if you're interested. But yeah. Oh, excited about that. Really excited. The last product I've tried little samples before, but this is the first time that I've bought the full size and I'm really, really excited to give it a go. Oh my gosh, it's the capsules. It's Oskia London Vitamin C capsules. Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsules, pure nutritional skincare, and there's 60 of them in here. It's won loads of awards. The Sunday Times Style, Best Wellness and Self-Care brand. Skincare expert Caroline Irons recommends it. All the beauty forums recommend it. I have tried, as I've said, little samples. I've had little pots where I've tried and it is gorgeous. And vitamin C doesn't last long. It has a short shelf life if you're using a bottled serum, for instance, but these are all little capsules. so they last longer. So the very last 60th capsule that you'll use is going to be as potent as the very first one you use. You just peel off the top and squeeze them and apply it on your skin. Super C beauty capsules contain a supercharged blend of smart nutrients and actives to boost skin health, protect, hydrate and nourish for youthful radiant skin. We believe that in the case of vitamin C, little and often is better. Oskia's superior form of vitamin C and smart vitamin E work synergistically to provide enhanced results at safer, lower levels. Our beauty capsules perfectly preserve the vitamin C serum oil and are ideal single-use travel-friendly doses for a daily skin supercharge. Lots of information on the back there, all over the packaging about these. 60 capsule pot will cost you £70. I had a discount and I had about £15 off, I think it was. Anyway, the discounts change daily, so what I got it for, you might not be able to get it for. You might be able to get a better deal, or it could be a little bit more expensive. Excited to see what they are like on my skin now that I can start using them daily. I got a gorgeous Daisy by Marc Jacobs, ever so fresh perfume. I got an essential eye set by Real Techniques. I got a Touche Éclat Blur Primer by Yves Saint Laurent. I've got a Bobbi Brown cream eyeshadow stick in shade Stone. And lastly, Oskia London Super C capsules. So yeah, I'd love to know if you've tried any of them. Please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.